Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday until Monday, May 7 to 10, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. And here's the latest graph set. Beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday, we have a fast-moving surface trough passing across the whole of Mindanao. And this is a large, massive cluster of thunderstorms spreading all across the island of Mindanao, and it's been affecting from Davao region up to Zamboanga Peninsula. Right now, it's moving across the Zamboanga Peninsula. So these thunderstorms will last for the next few hours. And at the back of that, we have a very long intertropical convergence zone beginning to become active at this time of the year. Usually during the month of May, June, July, the intertropical convergence zone will begin to oscillate along these areas over the southern portions of Micronesia. And we have another surface trough here over the south of Palawan. So it is expected to affect southern Palawan and portions of Sulu Archipelago, the southern portions of Sulu. Elsewhere across the Philippine Islands will remain hot and dry with high heat index reaching as much as 47 or 48 degrees centigrade. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids or water to hydrate yourselves. Here in Naga, again, it's back to 44 to 45 around 12 noon to 2 p.m. with high temperatures of 33 to 34 degrees centigrade. And the northeasterly surface wind flow has begun to weaken, but still some winds from the northeast will prevail along the eastern sections of Luzon, Bicol region, and eastern Visayas. But overall, we have a very few chances of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, except for the whole island of Mindanao because of this fast-moving surface trough. This is an elongated area of lower atmospheric pressure. It's not a typical low pressure area since the low pressure area is somewhat circular. So this is more elongated, but it will bring lots of thunderstorms. So watch out for lightning strikes and flash floods. And please take on some precautions across Mindanao. And up north of the Batanes, we have the common springtime frontal system known as the stationary front. It is known in China as Meiyu front. It is a springtime long area of thunderstorms that could that the cold and warm air masses collide. So when it collides, it is expected to bring lots of thunderstorms from Japan all the way down across southern and southeastern China. And outside of PAR, we still don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclones within the next few days. The American model is suggesting a tropical cyclone that will form here by next week, but it began to disappear on the latest run. The European model is consistent since last week. There will be no tropical cyclone development. But on the 10th day of the forecast, particularly the American model, there might be a formation of a tropical cyclone to the south of Guam, moving close to Guam. But it is not yet sure. Usually the forecast of more than 8 to 10 days is considered 0 to 20% probability, very low to none. Okay, so that's the latest from GraphSat. And as we look at our fast animation, there you go, the fast moving surface trough across the large island of Mindanao. And if we look at our zoom in satellite animation, this is coming from the windy.com app. You can clearly see here beginning around 12 noon up to 2 p.m. It's been spreading all the way towards the Zamboanga Peninsula and the areas of Moro Gulf. Okay, so lots of strong thunderstorms will be expected across those areas through the evening, but somewhat the thunderstorms is now over the Zamboanga Peninsula with improving weather over the eastern sections of Mindanao and also over Soxagen. So expect these large areas of thunderstorms. Some isolated thunderstorms are being observed likewise as well over the northern parts of Leyte and western Samar and some isolated areas of Visayas, while it's all clear across the Bicol region. There is still small thunderstorms over the Ilocos region, especially along the mountains of the Cordillera, and a small one also here along the northern portions of Metro Manila. And as we look at our 3-day rainfall accumulation beginning tomorrow, Saturday, until Monday, since our video will be valid until Monday, expect afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms to continue across the island of Mindanao and some portions of eastern Visayas and smaller or isolated areas of Visayas for the next 3 days, while the rest will remain dry. But again, since the weather forecast is only up to 60 to 70% accuracy, there could be some isolated thunderstorms that will pop up and affect portions of the Bicol region. Just like this early morning, a strong thunderstorm passed across Albay and Camarines Sur, bringing some thunderstorms, lightning, and thunderclaps across the Bicol region. We can hear it around 3 a.m., the strong rumbling sound of the thunder. So the rainfall and thunderstorm will continue to prevail across Mindanao, particularly in the afternoon and evening until Monday. So watch out for that as we move into the middle of May. The onset of the rainy season is fast approaching, particularly when we reach the month of June. So that's it. That's the latest for this Friday until Monday, and we will return again on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Be healthy and strong. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.